Come forward, they've got brown people back for amendment. They can always go back. Come see what I've got. Oh boy. Here. Look what we've got here. Do you know what this is? Do you know what these are? These are calculators, aren't they? These are, so if you push the button there, well, it should open up.
Pull it down.
Pull it down, pull it down. There it is, it opened up. There it goes, and then the numbers aren't coming up, it must be bad.
Is that the one that's United
Yes.
Methodist? It should come up in just a little bit. It was working this morning. The other one doesn't work.
It has batteries on it, and they charge, the numbers come up, and then if you press the buttons, you can do math with this, can't you? You can do math. Do you know how to do math? Do you do? What's 1 plus 1? Do you know? 2, right? 1, 2, right? Now, you didn't have a calculator. How did you do that? I see. But you didn't need a calculator to do it? You did it all by yourself, didn't you? Should we try a harder one? What's 2 plus 2?
4.
Oh, good for you, yeah. You did that in your head, right? And then 2 plus 2 is 4. So no calculator. What happens if you only use this machine? You might never learn. Huh? You might never learn how to do math. It's better if you learn to do it on your own. It's the same way. Well, that's right. You can check to see if you did it right. When I was growing up, I had lots of people who taught me about the Bible. They taught me about Moses, about Noah, and all the people in the Bible. But there came a time where I could read for myself. And I started reading the Bible. And when I started reading the Bible for myself, I remembered it much better than when somebody told me, right? When somebody did, people like this computer that do things for us. But when we learn to do it ourselves, huh? That's right. And then you remember it better, don't you? I hope that you will remember that right now your children, you have people who bring you to church. No, me either. So there's people who do things for you, but one day you're going to get to say, I believe in Jesus all for yourself. Right? You'll get to read the Bible all for yourself and go to church all for yourself. And I hope you will do that because you will remember it much better if you do. Oh, that's good. I'm glad to hear that. I hope all of you will have one. I've got 2 here. You want to play with them for a while? See if they work? Okay, thanks for coming up. You can share them. Yes, there you go.